Well, the judge ruled today that restaurants can remain open until he's finished hearing the case. They called as many as 7 witnesses, including restaurant owners and doctors. And as you mentioned, the county executive plus his health commissioner are expected to testify, but not until tomorrow.
The hearing turned into a battle of the experts. Attorneys for 4 Anne Arundel County restaurant owners contend the county executive does not have the authority to prohibit indoor dining nor restrict eating outdoors at restaurants by requiring 50% of tent flaps to be up. The attorneys also point out there's no scientific evidence to support restaurant dining contributes to the spread of COVID-19. Lawyers for County Executive Stuart Pittman explained that Governor Hogan's executive order provides the legal authority to enact further restrictions. Pittman's lawyers explained the science from public health experts is clear. It shows that taking actions to limit situations where people gather without masks will prevent the spread of the virus and save lives. Restaurants have been using previous relief grants to help with the purchase of PPE. Some of the money had been used to buy tents and heaters and to keep workers on the payroll. James King, whose Titan Hospitality Group brought the lawsuit, told the judge the money was like, quote, putting a Band-Aid on a gunshot wound, end quote. A Stanford University-based doctor and professor told the judge he did a study on the spread of the virus by patronizing restaurants. Quote, it is safe for Anne Arundel County restaurants to stay open at 25% capacity. The likelihood of asymptomatic spread of the virus is 0.7%. Restaurant owners explain the extraordinary steps they have taken to keep employees and customers safe. One uses an app to remind managers of safety checks to perform every 30 minutes, and they must be verified through photographs. Another restaurant owner told the court his HVAC system constantly pipes in outdoor air, replacing as much as 10% of the indoor air.
Restaurant owners rested their case today. Lawyers for the county executive called a medical expert from Johns Hopkins who testified the virus is most likely spread easily indoors and during the winter months. Reporting live from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.